Hey, Patty Rose here. So how'd it go in section 1? Are you feeling good? Did you get your worksheet all filled out? Are you ready with all the technical, more tedious side of this prep phase, the prep phase where we tend to just pull all this information from everywhere else so that we can put it together into a succinct system which will become the way you build your website? Make sure you review that if you have any questions, and make sure that you have that part of your worksheet. Make sure you have part of that worksheet all filled out so that you can move forward quickly and efficiently when it comes time to, like I say, break ground, right? When you build that foundation of your website. So we're going to now move on to the next section, which is about the purpose and the creative side of your website and what it's for. So go ahead and see you in the next video.